Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of the Speak English Easy podcast. I am Alex.
And I am Sarah. We are so happy to have you here. Today is going to be a huge episode because we are talking about how to completely change your life with English.
That is right. But before we start, we have a challenge for you right now. Yes, right now.
We want this to be an interactive community. So please pause the episode for a moment. Go to the comments section below.
We want you to answer this question. What is your morning routine and how do you practice English?
Do you read? Do you listen? Do you speak to your cat? Tell us. Leave a comment below. Writing is the best practice.
Okay. Did you leave a comment? Great. Now, let's begin. Today, we are looking at a full day, morning, afternoon, and night.
Many students think they need to move to London or New York to learn English, but that is not true. You can build an English environment right at home.
Exactly. Let's start with the most important part of the day, the morning.
Alex, are you a morning person?
Honestly, no. I am very slow in the morning. I need my coffee before I can speak.
Me too. And that is why our first tip is very gentle. You do not need to study grammar books at 7 a.m.
No way. That is too hard. In the morning, you just need to wake up your brain.
I love that phrase, wake up your brain. This means doing something very simple in English to switch your mind from your native language to English.
For example, when I wake up, I pick up my phone. I do not look at social media. I open a weather app in English.
That is brilliant. It is simple vocabulary. Sunny, rainy, cold.
Let's practice this. Listeners, imagine you are looking at your phone. Repeat this phrase. I check the weather.
I check the weather. Good. And what else can they do, Alex?
You can read one headline from the news, just the title. You do not need to read the whole article.
That is a great tip. Start small. If you read one English sentence before breakfast, you feel successful. You feel ready for the day.
It gives you confidence. You say to yourself, okay, I did some English today.
Okay, breakfast is finished. Now, many people go to work or school. They take the bus, the train, or they drive.
This is what we call dead time. You are just sitting there. This is the perfect time for passive listening.
What is passive listening, Alex?
It is when you listen to English, but you are not stressing. You are not writing notes. You are just letting the sounds enter your ears, like background music.
Ah, I see. So you don't need to understand 100%.
No, even if you only understand 50%, it is good. Your brain is getting used to the rhythm of the language.
I love listening to podcasts about things I enjoy, like cooking or football.
Exactly. Don't listen to boring grammar lessons on the bus. Listen to what you enjoy.
Let's practice a sentence for this routine. Repeat after me. I listen on the bus.
I listen on the bus. Or, if you drive, I listen in the car.
Now, while you are listening, we have a new technique. This is for people who want to improve their accent.
This is a very famous technique. It is called shadowing.
Shadowing, like a shadow on the ground?
Yes, a shadow follows you everywhere. In this technique, you follow the speaker. When you hear a sentence on the podcast, you repeat it immediately.
You don't wait for the sentence to finish?
No, you try to say it at the exact same time. You copy the emotion. You copy the speed.
This sounds funny. People on the bus might look at me.
You can do it quietly. Just whisper it. But it is very powerful. It trains your mouth muscles.
The key phrase here is copy the sound.
Let's try it. I will say a sentence, and listeners, I want you to say it immediately with me. Ready?
Ready.
English is easy and fun.
English is easy and fun.
See? You are shadowing me. This is the secret to sounding like a native speaker.
Now, let's talk about the middle of the day. Lunchtime.
Everyone loves lunch. But did you know lunch is a great time to learn vocabulary for food?
This is a fun game I play. When I look at my plate, I try to name every ingredient in English.
Ooh, I like that. So, if you have a salad, what do you see?
I see lettuce, I see cucumber, I see olive oil.
This is helpful because it is real life. You are eating these things every day.
The key phrase here is name your food.
Let's try it. Listeners, imagine you are eating a sandwich. Repeat after me. I have a sandwich for lunch.
I have a sandwich for lunch. Very good.
And if you don't know the word for a vegetable?
That is the best part. You check your dictionary app immediately. You will remember that word because you are eating it.
Speaking of phones, we have a very extreme tip for you. This is for brave students only.
Oh, I know this one. It is about your phone settings.
Yes, go to your settings and change the language of your phone to English.
Whoa, that is scary. What if I can't find my messages?
You will find them. You know where the icons are. But now, instead of seeing settings in your language, you see settings in English.
You see words like notification, battery, storage. These are very useful technical words.
It forces you to think in English every time you unlock your phone. It is full immersion.
The phrase for this is change your language settings.
Listeners, are you brave enough? Repeat after me. I will change my settings.
I will change my settings. Good luck.
Okay, lunch is over. Now, let's talk about your phone again. Alex, how much time do you spend on your phone?
Too much time. I'm always scrolling through social media.
We all do it. So, let's make it useful. The tip is follow English accounts.
This is so smart. If you love fashion, follow fashion bloggers who speak English. If you love cars, follow mechanics who speak English.
Suddenly, your Instagram or TikTok becomes a classroom, but it is a fun classroom.
You are learning real slang and real phrases, not textbook English.
The phrase for this section is
Change your feed.
Listeners, repeat after me. I follow English pages.
I follow English pages. This way, when you are lazy and looking at your phone, you are still learning.
Now, it is the afternoon. Maybe you are doing chores, cleaning the house, or walking the dog.
This is the best time for speaking practice. But Sarah, many of our listeners are alone. They don't have a teacher with them.
You don't need a teacher for this. You need to talk to yourself.
We call this narrating your day. Imagine you are the narrator in a movie about your life.
Let's try an example. Alex, imagine you are making a sandwich. Describe it.
Okay. I am taking the bread. The bread is soft. I am cutting the tomato. I like cheese.
That was great. You used verbs like taking and cutting, but you also used adjectives like soft.
Yes, that is important. Use adjectives. Don't just say, I eat. Say, I eat a delicious apple.
It connects the emotion to the word. Let's practice describing an action. Listeners, imagine you are drinking water.
Repeat after me. This water is cold.
This water is cold. And one more. I am drinking water.
I am drinking water.
If you do this for 5 minutes every day, your speaking will become much faster. You will stop translating in your head.
But what if you want to speak to a real human? Speaking to yourself is good, but sometimes we need connection.
I have a great tip for this. It is low pressure. It is not a phone call.
It is using voice notes.
Yes, voice notes on WhatsApp or Messenger.
Calling someone is scary. You have to answer fast. But a voice note, you can record it, listen to it, delete it, and record it again.
You can practice until it is perfect. Do you have a friend who speaks English?
Or even a friend who is learning English, just like you.
Send them a message saying, "Hey, how are you today?" But say it. Don't type it.
The phrase is, send an audio message.
Let's practice saying this to a friend. Repeat after me. I am sending you a voice note.
I am sending you a voice note. This builds so much confidence.
We have another advanced tip for the afternoon. This is for when you are walking or driving.
It is called thinking in questions.
What does that mean?
Instead of making a statement, ask yourself a question in English and then answer it.
For example?
If I am walking, I ask myself, where am I going? Then I answer, I am going to the shop.
What time is it? It is 4 p.m.
This trains your brain to understand the structure of questions. Questions are often difficult for beginners.
Let's practice. Listeners, ask yourself, what am I doing?
What am I doing? And answer, I am listening to a podcast.
I am listening to a podcast. Perfect. It's like a conversation with your best friend, yourself.
Okay, the workday is done. It is evening. You are tired. You want to relax.
Can we learn English while we relax?
Absolutely. This is my favorite part. Watch a movie or a TV show.
But Alex, movies are fast. They are difficult.
That is true. So here is the secret.
Watch something you know.
Do you mean watching a movie I have already seen?
Yes, if you have seen Friends or Harry Potter in your native language, watch it again in English.
That makes sense. You already know the story, so you don't feel lost. You can focus on the words.
And don't be afraid to use subtitles. Subtitles are your friend.
Let's learn a phrase for this. I watch with subtitles.
I watch with subtitles. This is supposed to be fun. If it is not fun, you will stop doing it.
Before we get to our final night routine, we have one more fun challenge.
It is called the one-word challenge.
This is very simple. Every day, pick just one new word. Just one.
Write it on a sticky note. Stick it on your fridge or your mirror.
Look at it all day. Use it in a sentence. By the end of the year, you will know 365 new advanced words.
That is a lot of words. But what a day is easy.
Repeat after me. I will learn one word.
I will learn one word. Nice.
Finally, it is time to sleep. We have one last habit.
We mentioned this before, but it is so important. Write it down.
Keep a notebook by your bed. Before you turn off the light, just write 3 sentences about your day.
Many students worry about spelling. They think, oh no, did I spell restaurant correctly?
Forget about spelling. Just communicate. The phrase to remember is, don't worry about mistakes.
Let's give the listeners some examples of what to write.
You can write about what you did. I went to work. You can write about how you felt. I was tired but happy. You can write about tomorrow. I will wake up early.
Let's practice the future tense. Repeat after me. I will wake up early.
I will wake up early. Perfect.
When you close that notebook, your brain knows that English is finished for the day. You can sleep well.
Wow, we covered a lot today, Alex. Let's quickly review the routine.
This is a long list, but it is very powerful. Let's recap.
1. Morning. Wake up your brain. Check the weather. 2. Commute. Passive listening and shadowing. Copy the audio. 3. Lunch. Name your food.
4. Phone settings. Change your language settings. 6. Social media. Change your feed. 7. Afternoon. Talk to yourself.
7. Friends. Send an audio message. Use voice notes. 8. Walking. Think in questions. 9. Evening. Watch what you enjoy.
10. The one-word challenge. And 11. Night. Write it down.
That is 11 ways to improve. You do not have to do all of them tomorrow. Pick one. Start small.
We promised we would ask you for comments again. If you didn't comment at the start of the video, please do it now.
Yes, we want to know which of these 11 habits will you try tomorrow?
Will you try the voice notes or the phone settings? Let us know in the comments below. We read every single one.
Thank you for studying with us. You are doing a great job. Keep going.
See you in the next episode. Bye.
Goodbye.